Ion nitriding technology.
In the relentless rhythm of stamping and metal forming, tools bear the scars of countless presses. Wear, abrasion, and fatigue cast shadows on efficiency, leading to downtime, production hiccups, and outcomes that fall short of excellence. Under the constant pressure of metal forming and the repetitive cycles in stamping, tools often succumb to stress, leading to fractures, wear-induced fatigue, and ultimately, breakdowns. Through an advanced surface treatment, ion nitriding provides resilience to the tools, elevating their endurance and performance to unparalleled heights. Whether it's punching, blanking, or intricate shaping, nitriding significantly increases the surface hardness, both abrasive and adhesive wear resistance and fatigue life of the tools, improving their lifespan and performance. Additional improvements are the thermal fatigue strength, a reduced friction coefficient, and increased corrosion resistance. Improving these parameters, nitriding reduces the downtime and maintenance costs due to failure of the tools. We at Ionitech bring high-quality technology and focus on expertise and deep commitment to your success. We go beyond providing solutions, we build partnerships. Your success is our mission.
Ionitech. Technology, solutions, expertise.